country of Singapore is in Southeast Asia on the global map. Even though that's far away from the Holy Bible's Garden of Eden, Singapore's iconic Gardens by the Bay gives you a little taste of heaven on earth. I mean, just look at it. Mother Nature at its finest. Hi beautiful people, it's me, Regina Marie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Everywhere is on my bucket list. Why? Because everywhere is on my bucket list. So today we are at Singapore's iconic Gardens by the Bay. Oh, I just love it here. It's like the Garden of Eden, and everybody wants to see what the Garden of Eden looked like, so we're here today. I mean, it's just beautiful, it's tropical, it's greenery, it's plants, it's water, it's so many exhibitions here, and you are going to see it all. The Gardens by the Bay was designed and conceptualized by this genius company called Grant Associates back in 2003, but didn't open its doors until 9 years later in 2012. The goal of creating such a masterpiece was part of Singapore's plan to transform its garden city to a city in the garden, raising the quality of life by enhancing greenery and floral everywhere you turn. And when I say everywhere, I mean everywhere. There are even flower gardens along their highways. Now these are not just trees, no, they are super trees. There are 18 of them throughout the gardens, and they stand between 82 and 160 feet high. Hope you're not scared of heights. And every night at 7:45 and 8:45, the super tree grove comes alive, and the lights and the music show are there to prove it. And these shows change themes every month, which is why I keep going every month. Gardens by the Bay is adjacent to Singapore's other iconic landmark, Marina Bay Sands, which is a 3-tower hotel, casino, and mall that holds a rooftop pool. I can't even decide which place I like most. Which is why every time I go to one, I have to visit the other. Now, a garden can't be a grand garden, winning like Guinness Book of Records, without the variety of splendor and greenery, plants and flowers in every color of the rainbow. So as you see, Gardens by the Bay has it all and more. And the monthly themes they display, people from all over the world can find something familiar from their country or tribe while exploring, because the exhibits just showcase exotic flowers and plants from 5 different continents. And speaking of the world, being a popular tourist attraction in Singapore, there has been over 50 million visitors from all over the world who continue to travel here just to experience this earthly Eden. And you're getting it all up close and personal from my YouTube channel. Everywhere is on my bucket list. So go ahead on and like, subscribe, and hit that notification button below so that you don't miss another priceless experience. Walking around, you're even able to feel and touch each type of greenery. Some are furry, soft, spiky, and not to mention, has a scent that they should turn into a perfume. Just like in the Garden of Eden, there are also animals and creatures all around the gardens, some flying in the air, hiding in the bushes, and even camouflaging themselves with hidden agendas, just like in Genesis. What I love most about Gardens by the Bay is the way it makes me feel. It brings a peaceful, pure, calm, inspiring, and just gratitude energy all over me. That kind of energy that lights yourself on fire, then glows from the inside out from the illumination that is already shining from others. Yeah, my new love language is energy. One of the most interesting facts about Gardens by the Bay is that it is home to 2,000 exotic species of over 7 million natural plants. Now that is reason enough to place this man-made tropical garden on your bucket list. And let's not forget about the kiddos. Even though I didn't visit this side, there is an area of the garden specifically designed for children ages 1 through 12. The children's garden consists of trampolines, hanging bridges, balancing beams, and a lot more kid-friendly attractions where you can simply drop off your kids while you explore more of the garden, like these beauties. Last but certainly not least, we arrive at the Cloud Forest. The Cloud Forest is home to one of the world's largest indoor waterfalls and a lush mountain clad with plants from all around the world. The best part about this attraction is that it's the perfect backdrop for wedding photos. Well, that is, if someone's not photobombing you. When I'm not photobombing people, I always make time for an Instagram pose. YouTube, are you taking all of this in? Are you bathing and soaking in this moment like I am? It's just simply gorgeous. If my channel has offered you any amount of value, I ask that you like, subscribe, and follow me, Regina Marie, as I show you a sneak peek of my life as I live on the other side of the world. Gardens by the Bay, thank you for granting me with a taste of the Garden of Eden. I can now mark Eden off my bucket list. Bye, beautiful people.